We've now got a growing proprietary library of multiple combinations against over 10 tumour indications, particularly focused on solid tumours.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by BiVictriX Therapeutics founder and CEO Tiffany Thorn. Tiffany, great to speak with you. You've announced that today is the last day of your AIM listing. You become a limited company from tomorrow. Can you take us through the rationale for the move?
We've kind of become a hostage to our own success, really, and we can talk about that in a minute. But the data we're generating on our portfolio is really remarkable. So it really puts the company in a position where we really want to sort of push on with developing the pipeline, remaining really competitive. We're at the forefront of bispecific ADCs at the moment. We want to stay there. And unfortunately, AIM's not really giving us the platform at the moment to do that, given where the markets are. So we're undervalued, and we need to, as I say, expedite the development of these assets. And we think that that'll be better placed as a private entity.
So take us through some of the success that you have been held hostage to, Tiffany. You were out with some results this week. So reported positive initial trial results from a preclinical study, and that's for BiVictriX 002. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so that's our first data that we published on our lead solid tumour asset, which has a lead indication in ovarian cancer. And it's really a remarkable milestone for the company, because we've seen the success that this platform can offer in liquid tumour indications like leukemia through our lead asset 01. And obviously we reported on the impeccable safety and an excellent efficacy profile with that drug. But this is the first data on our solid tumour program. So it shows that we also see the benefits of this approach in the sort of wider solid tumour arena as well. And in this particular model that we've reported, it's quite a difficult to treat ovarian cancer model. And by that, I mean that the targets on the cells are at quite a low level. So it's more difficult to see an efficacy readout in this particular model, which is why we've started here. And as you can see, the data is quite astonishingly positive. I think it's better than we even expected. And when we compare to some of the competitor ADCs that have also looked at the ADC in this particular model, our data is looking much stronger at the moment. So yeah, really positive news and showcasing the wide potential of our platform.
So what's the next steps then for BiVictriX 002?
So we are going to be releasing data on other tumour models. So we're about to set up a breast cancer tumour model. And then there'll be more data readouts, both efficacy and safety, over the next coming months as we go to nominate our clinical candidate and then take the molecule forward.
Tiffany, could you give us an update on the progress on some of your other programs?
Yeah, sure. So we are continuing to identify novel tumour restrictive combinations of antigens. So we've now got a growing proprietary library of multiple combinations against over 10 tumour indications, particularly focused on solid tumours. And then we are due to nominate another candidate, which potentially will address, again, other solid tumour indications in the short term. And as I say, 001, we've recently reported on safety and efficacy data, and that drug is continuing to develop with strength, and we'll be taking that forward as a private entity.
Well, good luck with the move, Tiffany. I hope you'll keep us posted on any further developments, but thank you for speaking with us today.
Thanks, Stephen.
That's BiVictriX Therapeutics founder and CEO Tiffany Thorn.